people, so I'm back to doing what I do best, which is reviewing certain shows. So there is a show on the Discovery Plus app called Forbidden Dying for Love. You know, it's basically all the shows that the Discovery Plus app brings out is like um, it's so eye-opening. Yeah, they're so well researched, and basically this particular show Forbidden is all about these love stories from like across the planet. Yeah, from you know yeah, because pretty much uh, uh, it's US centric mostly, but this one particular story is from Manila, Philippines, and then there's one from Japan, and it's about, and yet another story about an Egyptian gentleman who was, these are true life crime stories, so people, you'll have to check it out. It's called Forbidden and Dying for Love, and it's on the Discovery Plus app. So if you all haven't downloaded this app, please download it. It's completely free, and it's such an amazing viewer experience. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.